Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the new additions by Bad Habit Beauty to the After Party collection, and that is the little minis that are dupes of the little mini Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. So if that's something you're interested in watching, you're in the right place. We're about to get into it.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Okay, so first, can we stop the presses really quickly because we hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I know. I'm so happy. Oh my God, it's so exciting. Number one, I wanted to say thank you very much because, of course, it's all because of you guys that we are at that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I am over the moon. Number two, we also have a giveaway announcement coming up this week as well, so hang tight for that. That is coming very soon. Now, let's get into these two palettes. So, this all started when Huda Beauty started to release these little mini palettes. Now, the first couple of mini palettes that came out in a set of 4. It was in the Electric Obsessions, the Mauve Obsessions, the Smoky Obsessions, and the Warm Brown Obsessions. Those were the first 4 of these little minis that Huda Beauty released, and they were $27 a piece, so basically 30 bucks for a little mini palette of Huda Beauty. Now, a lot of people really liked these because they were small, they were compact, but they liked them because it was still the Huda Beauty formula and it wasn't a $62 or $65 palette. You could basically spend half that and still be able to get Huda Beauty's formula. However, of course, Bad Habit came along and decided to dupe those little minis. Now, they initially started with duping those first 4, and they called it the After collection. They called it After Shock, After Dark, After Hours, and After Party. So they basically did exact dupes of the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So I did a video comparing these palettes side by side so that you guys could see the performance of these, and I'll link the video up here in case you guys want to go back and look at the formula of each one of these palettes side by side just to see how they perform. I'm not going to be doing that again in this video because we already know that the formula is flawless and the tones and the duping skills of Bad Habit when it comes to the Obsession palettes is spot on. And I'll be honest with you guys, I did not even get the 2 new Huda Beauty minis because I knew that Bad Habit would come out with dupes and they would only be $12 a piece. Not only are they only $12 a piece, but now they have an option where you can actually get all 6 of the After collection for $48, which is kind of ridiculous. So let's get into the first one. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Obsessions by Huda palette called the Coral palette. That's what the Coral palette looks like by Huda Beauty, and now this is the Afterglow palette by Bad Habit. Now, this is in the same kind of format. It's the smaller box. It's got the mirror on the inside, and then you have the actual layout here. I'll show you guys the component up close here. It is really pretty. It's got that same kind of matte cover, the same matte back. It has the name of all of the shadows on the back. Of course, you open it and you have the big mirror, and then you also have the pans arranged down there at the bottom as well. So it's a really nice layout. It's absolutely stunning, and I really, really like the layout of these. And the reason that I like the layout of these a little bit better than I like the layout of these is because of pan transfer. So because the pans in these, the Huda Beauty versions, are so crammed together. When you get in here and you really start using some of these, especially the more glittery ones that are these really soft kind of glitters that fly around everywhere, there's really a lot of transfer that takes place from color to color in these smaller pans because there's not a lot of space in here in between the colors. Whereas in the Bad Habit palettes, you still have that nice small kind of compact size. It's not as small, but there's a lot more space in between the pans, so you don't deal with that transfer as much as you do with the Huda Beauty palettes. Now, I will show you just for side comparison, side by side, what one of these versus one of these looks like. I just like the layout a lot better because the shadows aren't on top of each other. I will say from a pan size perspective, both of these pans weigh 0.3 ounces in each one of these. So from a pan perspective, they're both the same. It's just that they're spread out a little differently. The next palette that Bad Habit decided to dupe was the Huda Beauty Gemstone palette. Now, this palette of hers was a purely sparkly palette. This had lots of gem tones in it. It was all sparkly, beautiful pops of color. This would be a mini that you would just keep laying around so that you could reach for it anytime you really wanted to put a really nice metallic or foiled eyeshadow onto the eye. And a lot of people liked it for that reason and because it was a good formula. But again, it's a $27 palette and it's a palette full of metallics and shimmers. So it wasn't one that necessarily spoke to me. However, $12, and that's a different story. It's not such a big investment, but I still have a fantastic formula and a nice small palette that has some great crushed metallics in it and some great foils in it that are a great formula and they look beautiful. And that is the After Charge palette. So this is the dupe to the Gemstones palette by Huda Beauty. Again, I'll give you guys a close-up of it here. It is stunning, same format. You have the beautiful front, the beautiful back that has the names of the shades on the back. You open it, again, you have the mirror, and then you have all of these gorgeous colors down here at the bottom, and they really are stunning, stunning shades, you guys. So this is After Charge, and this is After Glow, and this is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions Coral, and this is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions Gemstones. So let's get into some swatches and see how these guys perform. We already know they're going to be great. So first, let's get into the swatches for Afterglow, and we'll just go from the top row down and do them all. They're beautiful, honestly, and the duochromes that are in here are just as beautiful as Huda Beauty's duochromes. The shift in them is that beautiful pink gold stunning shift, and the mattes are very pigmented. They're very beautiful. They perform beautiful on the eye. I think that yellow is stunning, and I love the overall layout. You guys know I love my warm tones. This is a very warm tone palette and is my favorite of the two. Next, we have the After Charge palette by Bad Habit. Now, of course, this one is all sparkly and all metallic, so you guys know this isn't going to be my go-to. However, I do love a beautiful shimmer on the lid, and that really is what this palette is going to be for. This is going to be for reaching for that palette and making sure that there's going to be a match in here for just about every look that you could possibly come up with. But it's not just that, guys. The formula in these shimmers is really quite stunning, especially these bright purples in here. The metallics that are in this are absolutely gorgeous, and not only as a beautiful shimmer shade or as a beautiful duochrome, but also there's some good colors in here that would make beautiful toppers, but specifically that red duochrome that shifts to like a brown, and then of course that beautiful teal right there will go with a lot of the summer palettes that are out now. But overall, this is an absolutely stunning palette, and I love the swatches, and this is every bit worth the $12 spend. So as always, guys, you can get both of these online at shophush.com or any retail outlets where Bad Habit Beauty is sold. feel free to jump onto the Bad Habit Beauty website and check them out. Again, these are only $12 a piece. They're not $30 a pop. They're only $12 a piece. As a matter of fact, again, you can get all 6 of these, the entire collection, for $48. The formula's on point. They wear beautifully. The longevity of the formula is the typical Bad Habit formula. I actually have coral on my eyes tonight. I have been wearing it quite often. Not coral, sorry, Afterglow. I've been wearing it quite often and it lasts all day long. They blend beautifully. It is just, they're just stunning, you guys. And honestly, if you are one of those folks out there that looks at these little $30 mini palettes and you just don't have the money to spend $30 on a very small eyeshadow palette, then these palettes were made for you. They're incredibly affordable, they're stunning quality, and you just can't go wrong with these 2 palettes. As a matter of fact, the whole After collection is Erika approved, and I definitely encourage you guys to check them out. All right, guys, so that is it. Short and sweet. Listen, thank you guys so much, again, from the bottom of my heart, for getting us to 1,000 subscribers. I am totally over the moon about it, and I can't even stand it. I can't wait to do the giveaway. I hope you guys really like what I decided to do for the giveaway. Fingers crossed. So you guys keep watching. If you are new here, welcome. Definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you appreciate the work I do, there will be a link in the credits so that you can support the channel if you choose to do so. As always, I hope you guys are super happy and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.